Some of our main challenges are focused around understanding the data that we've got already within the business and capturing better data that's going to inform us how to improve and how to get better efficiencies. Another particular challenge for us is skill shortages, so having the right skills within the business to manufacture the products that our customers require. Opportunities wise, we believe there's a whole host of opportunities. We work at all levels from small SMEs through to automotive supply chain, so there are plenty of opportunities out for us to bring new business in. It's matching the skill sets and understanding our efficiencies better. Main takeaway for me is I've established some really good contacts. I've got some good networking established with people who will be able to help us in some of these things. So within robotics and robotic welding, I'm hoping that we can establish contacts with good suppliers today. And on the industry 4.0 in particular, where we're looking at machine monitoring, funding is one thing I've been interested in, and I've got some good contacts on that.